Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Fine. So today we will begin MAT 203. That is your practical course. Practical are based on numerical methods, advanced calculus 1 and linear algebra 1. Okay. So actually there are 4 units in the practical. Each unit contains 4 number of practicals. Okay, so first 12 practicals are from numerical analysis and remaining are from advanced calculus and linear algebra. Okay, so keep scientific calculator along with you. You need scientific calculator to perform the practical of numerical methods or numerical analysis. Okay, so let's begin the first practical. The name of the first practical is different types of error. Problems of finding errors. This is the first practical. Okay, so it is a very small practical. There are only 3 formulas, and with the help of scientific calculator you need to calculate 3 different types of error. Fine, so now let's begin the first practical. So write down date, today's date in the first practical. Okay, that is 2/10 to 2020 or 1/10 2020. Okay, તમને લોકોને મારો અવાજ તો સંભળાય છે ને?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am sharing your screen. Now I think you can see the screen. Okay, so practical 1. So this is the title, problems on finding different types of errors. So this is the title. Okay, so errors, there are 3 types of error. The first one is absolute error. Second one is relative error. And third one is percentage error. So there are 3 types of errors. So let us define each of them. Let me define first of all absolute error. Absolute error of a number is defined as mute yourself. Number is defined as its true value minus its absolute value or approximate value, or defined as the difference between its true value and its approximate value. Okay. So suppose its true value is, let Vt be its true value and Va be its approximate value. Then absolute error we denote it by EA. EA is equal to, A means absolute and E means error, difference between its true value and its approximate value. Okay, so Vt minus Va. V means value, E means error, A stands for absolute, here T stands for true value, A means approximate value. So this is the notation which are very convenient here. You can see absolute error is nothing but Vt minus Va. Okay, now let me define second error. The name of the second error is the relative error. Okay. So if I take absolute error EA, and if I divide this EA by its true value, then it is known as relative error. Relative error of a number is denoted by relative. The first letter is R. E stands for error, so ER, and is defined as ER is equal to EA upon its true value. Now what is EA? You can see from this, EA is Vt minus Va upon Vt. So this is the definition of relative error. Now let us define third error, percentage error. Please mute yourself. Neil, Mr. Neil. So now let me define percentage error. So percentage error is defined as the relative error into 100. The percentage error is denoted by here P, so EP, and is defined as EP equal to relative error multiplied by 100. Then we can find out its percentage error. Okay, so these are the three types of error. Now let me put one more note or remark. Error in X is denoted by delta X. Similarly, if you want to find out error in Y, then it is denoted by delta Y. Second thing, if Y is a function of X, is differentiable. That is, if you can find out its derivative, then absolute error of Y is equal to dy by dx into delta X, absolute error in X. So this is, if your Y is differentiable, then you can find out error by this formula. Okay, so now these are the basic formulas. Okay, so in general, if Vt and Va, let Vt be true value and Va be approximate value, then absolute error Ea is equal to, it is the difference between Vt and Va. Relative error is Er, it is equal to Ea upon Vt, true value. So that is Vt minus Va upon Vt. And the third one is percentage error. Ep is equal to Er multiplied by 100. That is, what is Er? Vt minus Va upon Vt into 100. So these are the main formulas of finding different types of error. So let us begin with example. So you will get precise idea. So the first example is this. If Vt equal to 10 by 3 and Va is equal to 3.333, then find EA, ER and EP. So now you can understand that EA means absolute error, ER means relative error, and EP means percentage error. So for these values, we need to find out all of these three. So solution. So I have given that Vt equal to 10 by 3 and its true value, it is given by 3.333. So now what is EA? EA means absolute error. What is the formula of absolute error? Its true value minus its approximate value. You can see from this also. Okay. So what is its true value? Vt means 10 by 3 minus 3.333. So now calculate and give me the answer. What is 10 by 3?
3.3.
Please give me the answer.
3.33.
Okay, so 3.333, we will write down 3 5 times. Okay, let me write down. Isn't it? Do you understand? This you need to calculate by scientific calculator. Okay, so if you subtract this, then the final answer is 3.33 into 12123 into 10 raised to minus 4. So this is the final answer. Do you understand? समझाई क्यों बता रहे? Now let's calculate relative error. ER means relative error is equal to absolute error upon its true value. What is absolute error? 3.33 into 10 raised to minus 4. On we have given true value is equal to, what is its true value? 10 by 3. So I should write down here 10 by 3. So this is equal to 10 goes into numerator, so it will become 10 raised to minus 5. So and 3 into 3, this is 9.99 into 10 raised to minus 5. સમજાઈ ગયું બધાને આ કેવી રીતે આવે છે? જસ્ટ સિમ્પલ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન. પરસન્ટેજ એરર. Percentage error equal to, what is the formula for percentage error? ER into 100. So what is ER? ER means 9.99 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to 2. Okay, so this is 9.99. So this is percentage error. Clear? So this is a very simple example. So now let me take next example. Find the relative error of x minus y. Now they are asking for x minus y. Relative error of x minus y, where x is given and value of x is 12.65, y is given, value of y is 10.32, delta x is given 0.004, delta y is given 0.0002. So here I want to find out errors in x minus y. Relative error in x minus y, that is relative error means ER. Okay, it is given that x, true value of x, it is given by 12.65, and delta x is, error in x is given by 0.0004, y is given 10.32, and errors in y, delta y, it is also given 0.00. So in order to calculate relative error, first of all I should calculate its absolute error. Okay, I want to find out absolute error of x minus y, not x. Okay, absolute error of x is already given. It is delta x means error, absolute error in x. This is absolute error in x. Okay, this is absolute error in y, delta y. So absolute error of x minus y is equal to delta of x minus y and its modulus. So this is nothing but delta x minus delta y. So what is absolute error in x? This is 0.0004 minus 0.002. So the final answer is 0.0002. Now relative error in x minus y is given by absolute error upon its true value. True value of x minus y is just x minus y. So put this value here, x minus y. Y is 12, x is 12.65 and this is 10.32. So this is equal to 0.0002 upon 2.65 minus 32, that is 33. So now tell me the answer. If calculate by scientific calculator, what is the answer of this ratio? Please, anyone? What is the answer of this?
8.58 into 10 raised to minus 5.
Please speak again. 8.58
into 10 raised to minus 5.
minus
5.
Okay, is it true?
Yes.
Fine. So this is the relative error. Similarly, you can find out its percentage in error also. Just multiplied by 100, you can get its percentage error. Now let me take next example. Find the relative error and relative percentage error of x plus y. So data is given where x is equal to Value of x is 5.72, y is 3.28, delta x is 0.04, delta y is 0.02, 0.02, yes. So now let's find out. So first of all, let me write down the given data. So x is equal to 5.72 and errors in x, that is delta x. 0.04 is nothing but error in x, or this is absolute error. Y is given 3.28 and delta y, error in y, this is absolute 0.02. Now I want to find out relative error and relative percentage error. So first of all, I should find out its absolute error. Okay, in order to find out relative error, I want to find out relative error and percentage error. So first of all, we should find out its absolute error. In x plus y is equal to, it is denoted by EA, okay, and its definition is true value minus approximate value. Okay, but here already I have given delta x and delta y. So delta x plus delta y. So what is delta x? 0.04 plus 0.02. So the final answer is 0.06. So this is your EA. Okay. Fine. So now this is your relative error and this is your absolute error. Okay. So please
सर स्क्रीन નથી દેખાતી સ્ક્રીન શેર કરો
mute yourself, please. Now this is absolute error. Now what is the next
સ્ક્રીન
step?
શેર કરો સર
Yes, please.
સ્ક્રીન શેર કરો
Now let's find out relative error. So relative error is denoted by in x plus y. We want to find out relative error in x plus y. It is denoted by ER, and ER is equal to, what is the formula? EA upon its true value. True value means x plus y. 0.06 upon x. What is x? X is given 5.72 and y is given 3.28. So 5.72 plus 3.28. So this is equal to 0.06 upon, what is the summation of this? I think this is 9.
9.
Yes, 9. Directly you will get 9. let me share the screen. I think so. This is nothing but 0.06 upon 9. So please give me the answer. So this is nothing but 6 upon 900. So what is the answer?
6.666
Yes.
10 ની minus 3 ઘાત.
Yes, very good. So this is relative error. So now the next question is EP, that is percentage error in x plus y. This EP is, the formula of EP is ER, relative error, into 100. So this is 6.666 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to 100 means 10 raised to 2. So this is 6.666 into 10 raised to minus 1. So the answer is 0.666. So this is EP. Okay. And this is ER. Okay. Now let's take next example. Fourth one. If y equal to, now I have given y in terms of x, 4x raised to 6 minus 5x, then find the relative percentage error in y. Error in y at point x equal to 1 if error in x, it is given that error in x is equal to 0.04. So this is the given data. So now look at this. Here y is a function of x. Errors in x is given. So here let me write down first of all given data. So this is 4x raised to 6 minus 5x. Okay. Errors in x, that is delta x, is equal to error in x, and it is given that error in x is equal to 0.04 at x equal to 1. Okay, so this is errors in x, delta x. Now y is a function of x. So what is the errors in y? What is the formula? dy by dx into errors in x, that is delta x. We want to find out at x equal to 1. So first find out dy by dx. Okay. And put x equal to 1. So y is given, y is equal to 4x raised to 6 minus 5x. So what is true value? At x equal to 1, what is y1? Just replace x by 1. So 1 raised to 6 minus 5 into 1. 4 minus 5, that is minus 1. Therefore y1 is just minus 1. Okay. So we have found the value of y at 1. Fine. Now what is dy by dx? See, what is derivative? Y is 4x raised to 6 minus 5x. Why we are finding dy by dx? Because I need dy by dx in order to find out error in y. This is absolute error. Error means absolute error. So dy by dx, x raised to 6. So derivative of x raised to 6 is 6x raised to 5, and 6 into 4, that is 24. Clear? So this implies that dy by dx at x equal to 1 is equal to 24 minus 1. What is the answer? 90. Okay. So now absolute error in y. So delta x, sorry, here I should write here delta x. This is equal to, what is dy by dx? This is 19. Okay. Into errors in x. It is given that error in x is 0.04. So the answer is 0. This is 1994, that is 76. So absolute error we have found. So now let us find out relative error. So what is the formula of relative error? Just divide this error by its true value and you will get relative error. ER is equal to absolute error upon its true value. Absolute error is 0.76. True value is y at 1, that is minus 2. And we should take its modulus because errors can never be negative. So what is the answer of this 0.7? I think here also in the formula, just if I don't write, yes, I have, here I should write modulus. Okay, sorry. So write down modulus of its true value. Okay. Now let us find out percentage error. It is denoted by EP, and EP is equal to ER into 100. So this is 0.76 into 100. Therefore percentage error EP is equal to 76. Clear? So now let me take next example. Example, I think 5th. Last one was 4. Yes. Fine. If y equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 5x plus 2, then find relative percentage error in y. at x equal to 2 if error in x is equal to is equal to 0.06. So this is a similar to previous example. Okay, so here y is given 3x raised to 4 minus 5x plus 2. Okay, error in x, delta x, it is given delta x is equal to 0.06. So we want to find out error, percentage error in y at x equal to 2. So first of all, let me find out true value of y at point x equal to 2. So y of 2 is 3 into 2 raised to 4. This is 48 minus 10 plus 2. So this is 50, that is, this is 40. Clear? Now absolute error in y is equal to, since y is differentiable, absolute error in y is this. So now I should find out dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Y is 3x raised to 4. So differentiate this. So 4 3s are 12x cube minus 5. Derivative of x is 1. And since 2 is constant, its derivative is 0. I want to find out this at point x equal to 2. Bar, this is 12 into 2 raised to 3 minus, this is 96 minus 5, that is 91. Now put this value here. Therefore error in y, we denote it by absolute error in y, that is EA, is according to formula dy by dx into delta x. Dy by dx I have found 91, and x is, error in x is already given 0.06. So can anyone give the answer? I think 546. This, so 5.46. Correct me if I am wrong. Is this true?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. So now this is absolute error. Now we have asked for which error? Percentage error. So in order to find out percentage error, we should find out its relative error. It is denoted by ER. ER means EA upon its true value, that is y at 2. So this is 5.46, and y at 2 we have found the value, that value is 40, y at 2. So look at this, phi 2 is equal to 40. So I should write here 40. So therefore relative error is equal to, can anyone give me this division? What is the answer of this?
0.136
1 3, then
6 5.
6 5.
okay, thank you. Okay, so this is relative error. Now let us find out percentage error. It is denoted by EP. The formula is ER into 100. So 0.1365. Therefore EP is equal to 313.65. Okay, so this is percentage error. This is relative error, and this is absolute error. Now let me take next example. Example number 6. If fx is equal to 4 cos x minus 6x, find the relative percentage error in fx. For x equal to 0, where error in x, that is delta x, it is given, and delta x is equal to 0.05. So now let me find out this. So here fx is given, or this is y or fx, y equal to fx you may take. And the function is given 4 cos x minus 6x. Okay, and delta x also given 0.05. Okay, so now what is f dash x? That is minus 4 sin x minus 6. Okay, now what is f of 1? F of 0, because we want to find out error at point x equal to 0. So its true value f of 0 is 4 cos 0. Cos 0 means 1. So the f of 0 is 4. बराबर, समझ में आ गया? Now absolute error. It is denoted by EA. EA is equal to f dash x into delta x. So now what is f dash x? F dash 0. I should find out f dash minus 6. I should take its modulus. Okay, so this is minus 6 and delta x is given, so 6 into 5, that is 30. So I think 0.3. Clear? So this is absolute error. Now let us find out relative error. Relative error, it is denoted by ER. The formula of relative error is EA upon true value of function at point 0. This is 0.3 and f of 0. We have found here f of 0 is equal to 4. So let me put here 4. So what is the answer of this? See the answer of this.
0.075.
Yes, 0.045.
75.
I think
75.
75.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is relative error. Now percentage error. It is denoted by EP, and the formula of EP is ER into 100 So this is points. So 7.5. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so we stop our discussion. So this is the practical one. Practical one is finished. So different types of error. So you need a scientific calculator. Okay, in all the practicals, please keep scientific calculator along with you. Okay. So now let me download the attendance. Okay, we stop our discussion. Next time we will see new practical. Okay, goodbye.